There is a compound sitting on the shelves of almost every supplement store on Earth that has decades of peer-reviewed safety data proving it works, yet it remains widely misunderstood and actively avoided. If you mention it to the average person, you usually get the same reactions. It's an artificial steroid, it's going to wreck your kidneys, or it causes severe bloating. Let's clear the air. Creatine is not a synthetic hormone. It is a 100% natural compound built from basic amino acids. You already have it inside you right now. Your liver and kidneys manufacture it daily, and you ingest it whenever you eat common foods like red meat and fish. The issue is a matter of capacity. The average human body only stores a fraction of the creatine it's physically capable of holding. We are walking around with our internal energy tanks effectively running half-empty. What happens to your physical and mental potential when you force that biological tank to 100% capacity? To understand how this works, think of your body's immediate energy source, a molecule called ATP, as a cellular checking account. Your muscles draw from this account whenever you need to perform an explosive, short-duration movement. The problem is how fast those funds dry up. During maximum physical effort, your muscles will completely burn through their immediate ATP reserves in just 2 to 3 seconds. Creatine functions as a high-speed battery charger. It jumps in and instantly recycles that dead, spent energy back into usable new fuel. With that extended energy supply rapidly cycling, your body gets a tiny but crucial window of extra capacity. You can squeeze out one extra rep, push a sprint a fraction of a second longer, or slightly delay total muscular failure. Over weeks and months of training, performing those extra reps applies a greater overall stimulus to the muscle, which directly drives increased strength and lean tissue adaptation. Creatine does not magically inflate your muscles on its own. It simply provides the cellular capital required for your body to do the hard work that forces growth. But the most interesting breakthroughs in recent creatine research have nothing to do with your biceps. They are happening above the neck. A portion of your total creatine supply is stored directly in your brain. There, it acts as an energy buffer, protecting your neural circuits against mental fatigue and cognitive decline during complex tasks. So why the hesitation to take it? Let's clear the 3 biggest myths. Number 1, kidney damage. For individuals with healthy kidneys, processing and filtering elevated levels of creatine is completely effortless and safe. Myth 2, you have to cycle on and off. Your body does not build a negative tolerance to this compound. Continuous, year-round use is completely optimal. Myth 3, it causes bad water weight. You will likely see the scale go up slightly, but this is a biological advantage, not a cosmetic flaw. Creatine specifically pulls water inside the muscle cell itself. That hyperhydrates the tissue, creating a highly anabolic environment that supports healthy function, rather than leaving you bloated under the skin. The side effects people fear most are actually the exact mechanisms making the body healthier and stronger. This expands the demographic beyond young athletes. It's a tool for anyone looking to preserve aging muscle mass and protect cognitive health over a lifespan. If you decide to take it, the golden rule of dosing is remarkably simple: 3 to 5 grams per day, consistently, every single day. This chart shows 2 ways to reach maximum saturation. You can do a loading phase, 20 grams daily for 5 to 7 days, filling reserves incredibly fast. Or skip loading. Taking 3 to 5 grams a day fills that exact same tank in 4 weeks. Taking your dose post-workout with food can slightly aid absorption, but the most crucial detail is simply what you buy. Basic, inexpensive creatine monohydrate is all you need. It is cheap, is historically proven, and remarkably safe. It is a highly effective way to permanently upgrade your cellular energy.